Hi there. This is Rutherford, KFUI Global Radio. I'm going to do a quick review of, it's called a Mophie battery pack. And I'm impressed. This thing was like just under 20 bucks from eBay. It comes with a measurizer. You open the box. So I got the battery, and then it comes with a measurizer to measure where the coil goes. It's got a little stand, an extra coil, which is nice. So if you make a mistake, you have another one. You put your sticky stuff on. It also comes with a 22-page thing of instructions. Look at that. So basically, making this video to make it simple. If you get an approximate location where the coil goes, you just put that on the back, clean the back of the phone, put that in, and then slide the unit. So this is a 5,000 milliamp hour, and this is a piece of cheap tape to use until, I don't know, I might just leave this on there because somebody might think the phone has a crack in it. Who's going to steal an expensive phone that looks like there's a crack in it? So there you go. I use this phone a lot. I use 2 cameras. I do on-the-fly recording. Plus, when I'm on Highway 10 in the dead spots, I use the satellite to send signals to and from. So when I use the satellite, it uses more power. So it's always a good idea to have extra battery power, and so it's kind of nice. It's got 5 bars, or 4, okay. And this is Bella Blue. She's doing good. She's eating like a horse, or eating like a cat. So this is my 2.5 minute review of the Mophie battery pack, and it's wireless. It goes to the back of the phone. I do have experience taking glass pieces off phones to replace the battery, but I like the idea of having a bigger battery that can handle more. And also, when I bought this phone used, the seller did give me a partial refund because it came with a weak battery, and I thought, well, that money that he gave me, partial refund, helped to pay for this, and now I've got a real big honking battery. I like the idea of having a big honking battery. Thanks for tuning in. Dun 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 dun.